Hello friends, I am Sudhir Kumar Barai, Director BITS Pilani. You must be wondering what is this video is all about. Let me just tell you that here I am to ask you 5 questions about what. What are those questions? The first question is that what is COVID-19? The second question is that what the COVID-19 has done to us. The third question would be what coronavirus has done to us and where the warriors have done something remarkable for us. Number 5, the question is that what will the vaccination do to us? And of course, the last question would be what is our role? And that is very, very important. So let me just start with the first question. What is COVID-19? The COVID-19 is nothing but it is a coronavirus disease, which was a pandemic which has actually taken by surprise every one of us. And in the process, the harm it has done to community is huge. Everyone knows about it, what the COVID-19 has done to us. In terms of the impact of COVID-19, if you have seen last March onwards, there has been a lockdown. There are the waves after waves. The people have gone through a very difficult phase in terms of the health, in terms of the livelihood, in terms of the education, in terms of the various kinds of problems which has been faced in terms of the resources, the infrastructures and so on. In this kind of a scenario, the COVID-19, the kind of an impact it has created, somebody who came forward is that the coronavirus warriors. The corona warriors has actually worked, whether it's a medicine domain like doctors, the nurses, the police officers, and the community out there in general, the kind of a society, social workers, and everyone else who has contributed immensely during this COVID-19 pandemic. Now, when we are looking at this, naturally somebody has to contribute towards the COVID-19 pandemic. And during this COVID-19 pandemic, somebody who has done a remarkable job of saving every one of us is the medical profession. Many of the doctors and the scientists and also the pharmaceutical companies have worked overtime. In a record time, they have come out with the vaccination. And this vaccination has been going through many human trials. And after that, it has been found certified and which can be taken by the human being for the fight against the corona. Now, whenever the question comes up about the vaccination, the question comes in mind is that how safe is the vaccination? So let me just tell you that everyone moves around fearlessly, sometimes without following the COVID appropriate behavior, like not wearing the mask, not maintaining the social distancing, and so on. If we can go around fearlessly in the process of without taking any precautions, then what is the fear of taking a vaccination? Vaccination has been designed as the kind of the process through which we can be preventing the disease, which can be really helping us to overcome the challenges and the subsequent problems which it can cause. Now, in the process of the vaccination, we are encouraging each and every individual to go for the vaccination. Vaccination is something which actually helps, and that is what we call safety first. And if you take a vaccination, then in the process, not only you are safeguarding yourself, but you are also safeguarding many other people who will come in your contact. Not only the vaccination is going to help you in terms of staying healthy, but also make you mentally very strong to overcome the uncertainty or kind of a stressful time, which has always been the main challenge when somebody has gone through the coronavirus influence. And many of the people have found their well-being has been extremely stressful, and that is where the vaccination becomes very, very important. So through this message, I wish to convey that if you want to really be very healthy, you really want to make the contribution to the society, the first step would be that take the vaccination by yourself. Vaccination will help you to kind of really taking this country forward in terms of creating the healthy environment. And what are the roles would be there as a community or as a citizen of this country? The first and foremost step would be get vaccinated. That's the first step. Second thing, make sure that all near and dear one around you are getting vaccinated. And number 3, always create an awareness among the people to follow the COVID appropriate behavior in public places, such as wearing the mask, following the social distancing, even though you have been vaccinated. And always follow the instructions and the guidelines given by the medical profession for overcoming any kind of a complications if it arises. Vaccination always gives you the cover in terms of overcoming any kind of the attack by the coronavirus. So with this message, I wish to convey all of you that do not hesitate, just go all out and get vaccinated. You would be happy to see that the vaccination drive has taken in a big way. Yesterday was the first day of a vaccination, and country like India has, in that 81 lakhs people have been vaccinated in a day. And this is something remarkable. And I'm sure this continuous vaccination process can help all of us to overcome the pandemic time of a coronavirus. And that is where we will be able to contribute not only to ourselves, but to the society as well. I wish you all the best. Go all out and get vaccinated and encourage other people to do the vaccination. All the best. Take care. Stay safe. Stay well. Thank you.